going on, my beauties? I hope everyone is doing good. Today is BoxyCharm day. I must say that I am getting my BoxyCharm now at like the regular schedule, so I'm glad that some things are going back to normal, but we still got to be safe. We still got to take care of each other, so let's keep that in mind. So today, you guys, it is a BoxyCharm day, and I freaked out, you guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. I freaked out over this month's box because it is legit thebomb.com. So I'm going to talk to you about the product that I loved from last month's box. And it is no surprise, but I had to pick the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. I feel like we don't talk about Violet Voss enough. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love that it has the neutrals and your pop of color. I legit worked with the neutrals in this, especially this brown called Chocolate Brown. Literally a few seconds to blend out. It almost blended out on its own. I was like, oh my gosh, I feel like their formula gets better and better. If you have not tried Violet Voss and you are looking for a formula in eyeshadow that is consistent, that is amazing to blend out and does not give you so much work, you need to check out Violet Voss because these palettes are insanely amazing. I love their freaking palettes. Oh my gosh, and the fact that they keep it consistent is just like through the roof. Like, I freaking love it. So I had to go with this palette from last month. I had so much fun using the neutrals in this. I did use the purple as well in this one for another look that I did, and I freaking love it. It was so vibrant, so easy to work with, super pigmented, a little bit of kick up and fallout, but it is not a big deal when the freaking eyeshadows perform the way they're supposed to perform. I freaking love it. So yeah, this was my pick for last month's box. So let's get into this month's box. The theme is glam vibes only. I love that. I like the vibe of this. This is really, really cool. So we are going to talk about the first one. The first thing that I got in here, you guys, like legit out the box, $85. Like, you're already getting triple the value in this month's box. It's Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatments. It is a mouthful. This is what it looks like. This thing is $85, you guys. It's clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. That's a lot. Like, I mean, for $85, it better do something because that's crazy. Kate's signature super facial exfoliant exfoliates dull, dry surface skin cells to reveal smoother, radiant, pore perfected skin in just 2 minutes. By clearing away dead skin cells, this holy grail product preps skin to better absorb the rest of your regimen, making every product and ingredient that follows more effective. $85 for this. I just cannot. Like, still, BoxyCharm to this day is still worth it. I'm not gonna complain about anything. This is what it looks like. I've seen this in Sephora. So like $85 in a freaking $26 box. I'm about it. I am so about it. So that's the first one. The second one, I was blown away and so excited about this. I had saw some spoilers, but I did not like get my hopes up for anything, because you know when you get your hopes up about something and that shit don't happen, it kind of like blows your mind and you get pissed off and you're so upset. Yeah, I wasn't doing that. You guys, the new Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish freaking palette, I think they just released this in Target, or like some of her other palettes and things in Target, and they have been flying off the shelves, you guys. And they're not in every single Target. You can go on the website. They'll let you know what Targets they're available at. I believe there's no Targets that have them around in my area. But you guys, to get this in the freaking, to get this in the box, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Pressed Pigment palette, perfect for day and night. This palette features 8 stunning shades. The 4 shimmers are just like you, multi-dimensional and unique, dripping in fine glitters and reflective pearls. Ground your look with the easy to blend and ultra long wearing mattes. This runs for $28. I love everything about this packaging. I used to have earrings like that back in the day when I lived in the Bronx. okay, like the bamboo, like girl around the way type thing, you know, like a real Bronx ass bitch. Yes. So you guys, the packaging, I'm living for this packaging. Let's open it. It comes with a mirror and it is just, oh, perfection. Love that. I know I have one of her other palettes that I got in a BoxyCharm as well. I don't think I have the second one. I could be wrong, but I really love this formula too. The shimmers are to die for. They are so pretty. Oh my gosh, you could glam it up or neutral it down with the mattes, or just like, I just love that it has so much color, but yet you can still do so much with this, because you can literally use these shimmers on their own, or use the neutrals and pop in some shimmer. You could use them as freaking highlighter, inner corner, like just think outside the box. I freaking love this. And even the names are like, because I grew up in a household that was Spanglish. Like, me and my mom still talk like that. Like, we could be like, pero que, you know, this one over here, pero I don't know what's going on over there, you know? And it's just, I vibe with this. Like, this is like teenage childhood crap right here. Like, the names and everything. Mira, look, already. Pero like, that's what we use. Eres un show. Tiene swing. I don't know how to say that one, so I'm off on that one. Ay, que cute. We still use that one. Ponte hyper. Muy excited. That is the muy excited is so Selena and J-Lo. Oh my gosh, I cannot. And ha ha ha. And the other one is I cannot. Yeah, I don't know what that one is. So I'm a little off on my Spanglish right now, you guys. But yes, that is the second thing I got in my box, and I'm super stoked about it. It's just, it was some nostalgia going on right there for me. So the third thing, you guys, that I legit gasped, and I did not know I was gonna get this in the box, was this Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted double-sided shadow. It is a dual-ended liquid shadow combining a rich velvety matte formula on one side and an over-the-top sparkly on the other. This runs for $25. I have tried her stuff before. I really like her liquid lipsticks. I like her liners. I'm still dying to try her freaking like lipstick bullets, like the matte lipsticks. I have not gotten an opportunity to try those, but I'm excited to try these. I'm not huge on liquid eyeshadow, but I would definitely try this out, because this, like, I can't. These colors are so pretty, and I'm totally forgetting to like do swatches for you guys, because I just suck that way sometimes. You guys need to remind me and keep me freaking like intact with this to do this for you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. Let's open Silk Bomber, which is like, I'm thinking this is the matte part. Yeah, this is the matte one. Wow, that is vibrant. It's really like on the plum pink side. That is really pretty. I like that color. And then let's see the sparkle side. The sparkle side is called Bubblegum. Oh wow, can I use this as a, okay, it's kind of coming out kind of clumpy. Oh, I could probably get away with using this as a freaking liner topper, because it is super thin, kind of like a marker type thing, but it's a brush. Oh, that is so pretty, you guys. I put it on top. I'll put it on the side so you guys can see it. That is really pretty. Okay, I need to try this out. I really do. So here's the sparkle side, and then I put it on top of the matte. Not sure if you're gonna see it. I'm always off with my lighting, which I need to freaking update my lighting soon. So yeah, so pretty. I'm down for that. I'm so down for that. The next thing I have, holy crap, I didn't know this was $54. What the heck is this? Okay, I've never heard of this company before. This is Mud Masky. It's a blue light protection mask. Blocks high energy visible light from digital devices like smartphones and laptops up to 94%. Made especially for people that spend a lot of time behind a computer screen. Prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light. Another thing that we have to worry about, like, what else are you gonna throw into our freaking like pot of shit that we gotta worry about? It's ridiculous. But to make something like this is crazy. I've never heard of this brand before. I don't even know if I would like see a huge difference after a while, to be honest with you, because I'm only on my phone when I'm selling clothes for Closet Candy, and when I have to do some social media, when I play my game for a little bit, and and when I'm editing videos to upload them on freaking YouTube, like right now. So I don't know, you guys. This is pretty interesting, but I don't know how I feel about this. This is a little bit crazy. It might sound weird, but it's a little bit crazy for me. So we're gonna move on. And $54 for that, I don't think I would ever buy that like on its own outside. Like if I went to a store and saw it, I would be like, I don't know if I would buy that. But if it works and it helps, I, you know, would totally recommend it for people who are constantly behind a computer screen, because that is some crazy shit. I don't know, you guys. All right, the last thing that I got is $15, and it is Billion Dollar Beauty. I'm not sure if it's the same thing as Billion Dollar Brow. I want to say they're two different companies. I could be wrong. I did not look into this, but the thing is that the Billion Dollar Brow penmanship or the font print type thing, it's the same thing as that. So I don't know if it's the same company, you guys. This charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filter. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I thought, oh, it's charcoal infused, not that it's like black. It's gray, you guys. It kind of looks like a beauty blender. Like, go figure. It really does look like a beauty blender, and it's nice and soft. It's kind of squishy. I wonder how it's gonna feel when it's full of water. And by the way, like on the other sponge that I've been using by that one brand, oh my gosh, I completely forgot the brand now, but it was in my last video. I really like it. I used them on my face today. I haven't had any problems with it. It's been holding up well. Deposits foundation great on my face, and I really like it. So it's another sponge to add to my collection. But yeah, you guys, so this runs for $15. It's $5 cheaper than the Beauty Blender. Let's see how that goes. But you guys, I'm super stoked about this box. And the price ranges, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna leave my total value of the box down below like I always do. Let me know down below what you guys got this month, because I want to know. And if anyone got this mud masky thing, have you tried it? How does it feel on the face? I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like I was getting into too much skincare, and it started breaking me out right here. I drink a lot of water, you guys, like a lot of water, and I stay away from soda. My skin always looks great, but I guess I just mixed the wrong thing, and I completely broke out down here last week, and I was just like, hold on, I need to stop with all this skincare. So I almost got to the point where I wanted to throw away all my skincare and just buy a bunch of Tatcha stuff, because anytime that I use Tatcha, my face like reverses itself 5 years younger. It looks glowy, radiant, there's no dullness, my skin is not like flaking or drying out or anything like that. Anytime, like Tatcha never fails me. Even when I use like a 15-minute mask, the next morning I see so much result. It is just ridiculous, you guys. I'm literally like this close to like throwing away all my skincare and just starting from scratch with Tatcha and just sticking to Tatcha for the rest of my life. Like, that's how it's gonna go. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, leave me comments down below. I want to know what you guys got this month, and let me know about this, because I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna try this or use this. I'll be honest with you, don't know, but let me know. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.